Today we are working on our character description unit. This is the third lesson for Rose Meets Mr. Wintergarten. In the last lesson, we identified words that describe what Mr. Wintergarten looks like, his actions, and a little bit about his character at the beginning of the story. In your activity, you moved the words into the correct boxes. This is going to give you a bit of a word bank for when it's time to write some sentences. Today, we are learning to identify simple and compound sentences. Identify simple sentences. A simple sentence has one idea or complete thought. Mr. Wintergarten glared at Rose. There's only one thing happening in this sentence. A simple sentence must have a verb, a happening, and a noun, a participant. Who or what is the sentence about? In this sentence, the verb is glared. That's what's happening. In this sentence, the noun is Mr. Wintergarten. That is who the sentence is about, or who is doing the action. A simple sentence can give some extra details about what is happening. In this case, it tells us who Mr. Wintergarten glared at. Mr. Wintergarten glared at Rose. Identify compound sentences. A compound sentence joins two simple sentences together. Mr. Wintergarten pushed back his chair and he opened the curtains. You can see that each simple sentence has a noun and a verb. We have joined those two simple sentences together. Compound sentences must have a conjunction, a joining word, that joins the two simple sentences together. In this case, the joining word is and. And is a conjunction. In today's activity, you will be making your own simple and compound sentences in Seesaw. All of the words are mixed up. Does this make sense? Had Mr. Wintergarten eyes pointy, long, narrow, and nose A? That doesn't make sense. We need to put those words in order. Let's make a simple sentence first. Mr. Wintergarten had narrow eyes. We haven't used all of the words, but we have made a simple sentence. Now it's your turn. I wonder if you can make a compound sentence. Complete the activity in Seesaw.